Greetings and welcome to Smartwatch Tics and happy Valentine's Day. Yes, today is Valentine's Day, and in celebration of the launch of the Ergon Band Kickstarter program, you know that one, here's one right here, we have a special Valentine's present. Inside here is the box containing the latest Ergon Band. Are you ready for this? And of course, Valentine's Red. Now remember their amazing packaging where they actually have a thumb to show you, a hand with a thumb on it to show you how the band goes on. And this is it. This is the Ergon Band in red. Here it is in black. We've seen that before. Got a good review on this one. So I'm going to encourage you to head over, follow the links in the corner up here at the end of the video, or use the show notes, or jump on over, take a look at this review. But today, when you're watching this, is the official Kickstarter launch day. And if you're familiar with Kickstarter programs, now this is an early page because it's Valentine's Day, the 14th. But we're looking at this around the 21st of February, and the way these things work, the best deals are the first ones. They'll have a limited number at a really low price. After those are gone, you get the same item, but a little bit higher price. And when those are gone, you get back up to a retail price. So I'm encouraging you guys, if you're interested in this Ergon Band, to jump over and do it like right away, because that's going to be your best opportunity to get this. Now, the reason I have two different things on is when we originally reviewed the Ergon Band, the only thing on the market were smartwatches with side cameras. And if you recall, you'll see in that video, it's better than where you have one that has a camera that goes out over your hand, where you get your hand in the way. This is getting better, but you still have a side camera, and you got to remember to keep your thumb down, or you're going to get your thumb in the picture. But that's not true with the Genesis. Remember, the Genesis, we just reviewed it, has a top-facing camera. So I am going to take the Genesis off of its traditional band, and I'm going to put it on the Ergon Band and show you how you really can blend these two together. You ready? Now we're talking. There you go. Got the Ergon Band. Got one of Alrod's amazing watch faces on it. Got the Chronos Blade Genesis with the front-facing camera and forward-facing selfie camera. So when you activate the camera with a touch, there we go. Now you're looking at the outside straight from here. But notice I can't get my hand in the way no matter what I do. Oh, I thought I saw a finger. Barely, barely. This is revolutionary. By using the Ergon Band, you can flip it around, do your front-facing camera. Look at this, perfectly in alignment. I'm not having to bend my hand this way, folks. That's normally what you'd have to do. Nope, I can just aim it straight, do all my selfies, do all my outdoor photography, and everything works awesome. It's the Ergon Band, and it is right now on Kickstarter. It just began today. Get over there, check it out, click on the link down below, click over here to go see the full review of the Ergon Band, and we'll see you back here again soon. Thanks for watching.